What's happening, guys? This is Ken here at Drive the Coast. Just wanted to show off this super cool 1969 Land Rover we just got in. So this car here has been fully restored. The gentleman that previously owned it bought it just the way it is in fully restored condition. GR Auto Gallery, I think, had something to do with that restoration. It's running its original 2.25 liter inline 4-cylinder. Matted to a 4-speed manual transmission. It's got a really slick paint job on it. You can tell the restoration was done really well. Beefy tires on the front. I love the Steelies there. It's got the lifeguard emblem and life raft on the front, give it a cool look. I love the soft top that it's got going there, so it's something you could take off in the summer months if you want to cruise with the top off. We'll get to the interior in a minute. But they did a beautiful job on the interior. You can fit a lot of people in this. Just something great to cruise down to the beach on. We do have a new gas cap coming for it. That went missing somehow under the previous ownership. But just a really excellent job here on the restoration. Everything just looks top notch. They really did a great job on it. Underneath it is just as clean as on top. We'll open up this window here, kind of peek into the back. Body's just super straight, no dings or nicks in the paint. Like I said here, the interior looks excellent. It's got the original look to it, but obviously all your seats have been totally redone with new foam, new coverings here. All your seats here lay down if need be. You got extra bench seating in the back there. Again, the top is in excellent shape, as you can see here. Fun fact, I'm 6'4", and there's plenty of room here for me to be able to sit in the back seat and have enough leg space there. Obviously, you know, you can fit in the back too, got plenty of space in the back. Doors shut really good, nice and solid. Hopping inside, everything looks excellent again. You got your chassis number there. Obviously, like I said, it is a 4x4. These were known for their rugged durability. You do have a few auxiliary gauges here with your water temp, voltage, and oil pressure. Just something nice to have. You know, they installed during the restoration. Again, you got your 4-speed here, speedometer, and all your gauges here. Dash looks really good, nice and smooth. Again, that was redone during the restoration. I love the grille on it. It's just got that iconic Land Rover look to it. Looks like something you could just take anywhere and tackle any obstacle. Let's hop inside here and fire her up. Fires right up every time. First key runs nice and smooth. Pop the hood so you're running. Look at, they got an MSD ignition set up on here. That's what really going to help out with your cold starts. You get it to fire up every time. You get the distributor there. Nice big battery, purring like a kitten. It's like you got an upgraded radiator. Definitely something nice to have. Yeah. Definitely an awesome ride. Something that's going to turn heads going down the road. So let's get her out here and take her for a drive. All right, guys, here in the 69 Land Rover, take it out for a cruise. Fire it up. Fires up every time. Fuel gauge does come up a little bit, so it acts like it's wanting to work.
Said we should get the lifeguards over here.
Yeah, it'd be perfect for the local lifeguards here on the beach.
Right.
Positive this wouldn't have any problems going through the sand.
Yeah, that's for sure. Oh, look at sewing machine. Got your AC going with it.
Yeah, open up our vents here. There we go. Now we're good.
Side mirrors way up here. A bunch of folks back there too. A few seat belts. You see that the top's also real tight, not flapping around.
Yeah, a little old car with a bench seat. Put your girl right beside you.
Dang right.
Yeah, we're cruising, man. I mean, up to speed, just floating down the road.
Excellent.
Anyway, guys, if you got any questions for me or you need any more information, I'd be more than happy to help answer those. You can give me a call. Offer nationwide shipping and financing, so we'll ship it straight to your door.